So now that we have this information, we match it with the answer choices, and our answer was B. So we go here to number 3, and we're going to type in this B equation exactly the way it is. 46797.94. 46797.94 parentheses 0.93 to the x. After we have this information here, we're going to go up here to this little gear, and we're going to convert this to a table. So what this does right here is that whatever information that they're asking, in this case, they're not just asking for the equation, but what if they're asking for after 10 years since 2001? So we just type in right here, 10 years, and it'll give us the answer right here on the side. What if it was 20 years? We just go in here and put 20 years, and it will give us the information right here on the side, right next to the cell that you're changing. And that's it. You're making predictions from an exponential function.